If you're not using the gripper in your workshop, what are you waiting for? The gripper is the only adjustable push block that gives you 3 directions of control to protect your hands, prevent kickback, and make better cuts. Downward pressure keeps your workpiece firmly on the table. Inward pressure keeps it tight to the fence to eliminate blade marks and prevent kickback. And smooth, consistent forward motion prevents burning on especially dense hardwoods. No other push block in the world offers this level of control, precision, and safety. Its powerful green grip gives you incredible traction on a wide variety of materials. The adjustable center leg allows the gripper to pass directly over the blade, controlling both the keeper and the offcut side of your workpiece through the entire cut. All with your hands safely clear the blade. Can you spot the difference between this clamp and this clamp? They're both track clamps, but with one huge difference. This one relies on expensive aluminum track. With this one, you create your own track. Match fit dovetail clamps are unlike any other track clamp. Its head is forged into a 14-degree half-inch dovetail profile, allowing you to create your own tracks with one of the most common router bits on the market. Without tracks, you're limited to the edge of your workbench and the clamp's throat depth. Match fit dovetail clamps give you the freedom to clamp beyond the edge. They slide through the dovetail grooves below the surface to secure material without getting in the way. Make auxiliary fences, sleds, stops, hold downs, assembly tables. You can even transform your tool chest or existing workbench into a versatile clamping surface, easily and without expensive aluminum tracks. Sure, there are other track clamps out there, but who wants to buy all that metal? Whether for a quick jig or a permanent shop fixture, dovetail clamps will bring your woodworking to the next level. Cut a straight edge on warped or live edge stock with a sled, cut tapers, or assemble your projects on a perfectly flat surface. Your shop is good, now make it great. Add them to your cart and start working smarter today with the Match Fit Dovetail clamps.